Hello everybody and welcome back to another video where today we'll be unboxing the ulefone S10 Pro. As you can see here on the back of the box, it's got all screen display, it's got quad core, 2 gigabytes of ROM and 2 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes ROM. It's got Android 8.1 and it's got Face Unlock and Fingerprint ID. Dual rear camera. Okay guys, so I've just finished setting up the ulefone S10 Pro. Oh, and we're in. Guys, fingerprint scanner is not exactly working even though I have set up. Okay, let's just do it with pin. So, we are in to what I will now like to call it, the Android iPhone X. It's just like it runs, Android 10, so like most phones, it will be able to, like, it's an Android. It's not an iPhone. That's one thing you guys have to keep in mind. Play Store's normal. It's got a pretty nice case. Comes with screen protector already installed, and I'm gonna keep that on. It feels like a really good phone. It's quite thick and heavy, just like the iPhone X itself. My dad's actually got one, and it feels just like it. But I can't currently use his to do a comparison. But if you guys want to see that, please leave a like and comment on this video. And just like I said, it's got an all-screen, it's 5.7 HD. Let's try and watch a YouTube video on it. We could watch, maybe, everything's Apple Pro here. We could just watch some generic content, or I could search for the final review, my channel, and then go to Control Center so I can find it quicker. Type or hit channels if you really want to find my channel. It how to find it, by the way. And then this one here, 12 subscribers, 3 videos, and then that's our channel. So we're going to be watching the new video with 430 views, AirPods with a screen. It sounds pretty good. During full screen, got it. It actually feels and looks pretty good. It does have auto rotate. If I hit home, it's pretty responsive. You can't swipe up like you do with Apple products. I'm quite used to that at the moment. So then you go to settings. Let's see what it's running. Okay, so it's just like the Pixel, really. Let's see if Face ID works. Okay, so Face Unlock next. Okay. Let me go turn on the light real quick so we can see my face better. It's asking me to move my face. There we go. Now if you turn off the screen, you turn the phone off and turn it back on, it unlocks like that. Face ID, it's not as responsive as Apple's, but it's pretty good. This is the FaceTime and stuff. You swipe right like the Pixel, you get this screen, which you get to see news and stuff. If you install apps, then guys, what I'm going to say is it does come with a headphone jack. It charges with... Oh, no. Okay, so actually, the charger is on the top of the device. Now, we're just going to check out what else is in the box. Because we usually do this at the start of the video. We didn't this time. Okay, so you get a little power adapter. It is American, not English. Sorry, I can't use that. It doesn't charge with USB-C. It charges with micro USB. Here's the user manual, all the boring stuff. It has a headphone jack at the top of the screen. Up there. There's the top of the screen. It's pretty responsive, and even if the fingerprint doesn't work, then you just have to look at it and it will recognize a Face ID. Guys, I think the ulefone S10 Pro is an amazing phone, and you should definitely buy it if you're looking for a cheap budget Android phone and you just like the iPhone style but you really like the Android operating system. This is the exact phone you guys want. It's quite durable, quite heavy. If you want to see me do a drop
Everybody,
test
I
with
need you
this,
to do one thing.
please like
Please
and
ignore
subscribe
everything
to
I'm
our
saying
channel.
right now. The
Remember,
video is not
1K
over
subs,
because you guys missed the actual unboxing.
and 10k likes on this video. I will be giving this away with all the other AirPods, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.
So at this point I realised I had actually messed up editing, and I had edited a part out of the video that I wasn't meant to. But now I've permanently removed it and cannot get it back into the place I need it to. So if you actually want to see how the phone came when I unboxed it, the actual important part that somehow I completely ignored while editing, opening it up and stuff, the nice packaging, please continue watching so then you can actually see the whole unboxing.
We are starting
Thank
to
you.
see the nice matte finish on the box. It's quite like, it's like the old Samsung boxes if you've seen them, with the nice cardboard and then with the Samsung logo here. As soon as we open the box, we're greeted with the phone itself. Unlike Apple, we don't have designed by Apple in California, but we do have a ulefone pad over here. So this is the phone, right here is the phone. So then we can check. Okay, actually you can tell I was wrong. There's a screen protector and all of this other stuff. That's not what we're here for today. Guys, because what we're here for today is the phone itself, not all of the other stuff. I have broken my elbow, so it's going to be quite hard to film this video. Looks like the phone itself is already powering on. On the screen we can already see all screen, dual rear camera, battery, quad core, Face ID, and it's already got a pretty nice case on it. If you take off the case, then this was to be like back of the phone, which has another plastic film on it, the volume keys here, the power key, ulefone, we have that there. I'm going to leave this on for a little bit. Guys, it's quite hard to actually use. I can't exactly use my other elbow as it is in a cast at the moment, as you just saw. So it's quite hard to get the case back on. I'm sorry, guys. I had to do this to you. Okay, so we are immediately greeted by hi there, English, United States, nope, English, United Kingdom. Is that not here? English, United Kingdom. Okay guys, everybody just saw that. That was a very sad moment from my tripod. It literally just fell in. It fell down. Okay, but we're greeted with English, United Kingdom. And then if we hit vision settings, what does this do? It's got Android Oreo. Feels quite nice. Skip this. We can connect it to my Wi-Fi. I'll connect it to my Wi-Fi real quick. I'm currently used to the Apple keyboard, so it is quite hard for me to get used to this new one, but this feels like a really solid phone. And if any of you want to buy this, links will be in the description, and it's a pretty damn good phone already. It does have quite a big bezel at the bottom. It's got a nice notch at the top. Screen protector already installed. Comes with another one as well. Copy apps and data. Android or iPhone or the cloud. I can just do this. If I hit back up from the cloud, was I did already have an Android phone, and I kind of want to get that all reinstalled onto here. It's just loading, but the phone itself looks solid, really good. Oh wait, actually I'll just I'll skip this. But I'm just gonna start fresh. We've got the London time, I guess. Anything that's in England, to be honest. Oh no. So guys, I'm gonna get this phone set up and then I'll be back to you soon. Bye.